On this tutorial guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat video call issue. So if you have any problem, this video is gonna help you. First thing, open the settings, go to the apps, open the apps like this, wait a few seconds, scroll until you find Snapchat and click on it like this. Click on this force stop to stop the app and then go to the notifications management. Make sure that all these options here are enabled. Go back and then click on the storage, click on clear cache, and then go back again, click on the data usage. Make sure those four options are enabled like this. And the last thing you want to do is go to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and disable it. That's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.